PTADC's headquarters সংলগ্ন Muay Thai training institute led by Crew Sanjay, instructor Sanjay, one of the most technical instructor of Tripura. So nearby, those who are interested to learn Muay Thai is the art of 8 limbs. So এই art যে শিখতে চায়, welcome to train in ADC and nearby area, Jirania and adjacent areas. Please come to train Muay Thai, the art of 8 limbs. Through Sanjay, the most technical instructor of our state. He happens to be my student also, and we through training with him, the athletes will get to compete in state level, national level, even international level competition. So I would request all the athletes nearby, so young generation, boys, girls. For girls exclusively, I will request the girls to come and learn this technique, because this technique is very important. Muay Thai technique is very important for self-defense. During the adverse situation, to face the situation by yourself, training of Muay Thai is very important. So I would request again to come and learn Muay Thai in Mayung Muay Thai Institute in nearby at TTADC. Thank you. Thanks everyone.
Muay Thai serna musang borok orok phaimano tai ako niji health tai self defense bagi bo oro norok phai serna phaimano tai opportunity bagi bo khlaimano ko state level national level jodi norok international level thuna musang hangake norok orok phai krui mano
opening ke bofron chibi
opening mani ko January 23 chibi
admission ke bofron chibi
admission ni ko tab start ngai tongka tab tini khana pano hai abo
bor jaga ma thik
jaga ang ko khumlung supermarket ko stall number 39 40 41
busuk omoni chibi ba busuk iya ni chibi
ko omori ko class 1 ni chibi no porikha no start khaimaka ang strai intung okrang thung
okra kha busuk o mane boys tinarak nai
boys iko abo mane
6
ko mane boys mane ko tabuk nijini icha tonga iko khlaimano aja je icha tonga
tabo admission choloi tonga ta
admission ko choli tonga
acha ni mungkhe
an mungka Sanjay Devarma
nugoro phurungnai
angor phurungo sai ang khorsa ko international fighter ang Raja Daman stadium ko fight khajak তাই এক্সপিরিয়েন্স আং থাই ফাইটার বাইনো আং অরক খাই ফাইজাক এখন রক যারা ফাইট খাইনো সোরনাম সুনার স্পেশালি মোস্ট বি ফাইটার রক অর সোরনা কে মোস্ট ওয়েলকাম তাই ফিটনেস বাকি
nin kami ko kumul bunda
kami hingga ni ko gana onok madawa ni kami